Hello friends, today I am going to say something about Indian designers. Manish Malhotra. Everyone knows Manish Malhotra. He is the man behind the opulent lehengas and the wedding trouser. He designed for Sri Devi, Juhi Chawla, Alia Bhatt, etc. His flagship stores are in Delhi and Mumbai. Tarun Tahiliani. He is the mostly known for his eccentric collection of bridal trousers. He rose to fame with his meticulous idea of combining the traditional Indian heritage with the European style. He designed for Katrina Kaif, Sonam Kapoor, etc. His flagship stores are in Delhi, Mumbai, and Hyderabad. Ritu Berry. She became the first Indian designer to showcase a collection in Paris. She is known for her ravishing Western clothing line and designer saris. She has received the highest civilian award from the French government for her incredible work in the field of fashion. She designed for Prince Charles, etc., and including kind stars like Rani Mukherjee, etc. Her flagship stores are in Delhi, France, and Germany. J.J. Valaya. He is known for his artistic prowess in blending the traditional crafts with the contemporary fashion. He designed for Kareena Kapoor, Hrithik Roshan, etc. His flagship stores are in Delhi and Mumbai. Rohit Bal, described as Indian master of fabric and fantasy by the Time magazine, he is the owner of some of the most ethereal creations that have been exclusively handcrafted by the local craftsmen. Designed for Naomi Campbell, Amitabh Bachchan, Deepika Padukone, etc. Flagship stores are in Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Ahmedabad, and Chennai. Ritu Kumar has also designed wardrobes for the contestants participating in Miss Universe, Miss World, and Miss Asia Pacific. An extensive knowledge of the art history and musicology has had made Ritu Kumar a revivalist in the field of fashion. In her effort to revive the traditional craftsmanship, she designed for Priyanka Chopra, Vidya Balan, etc. Flagman flagship stores are in Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, Surat, Jaipur, Dubai, etc. Wendell Rodrigues, known for his minimalistic style of designing, he is not only a renowned fashion designer but a fashion journalist as well. His passion for white is a word of mouth in the fashion field industry. Being a patron of Goa, he keenly promotes the Goan artists through the special exhibition. He designed for Sonam Kapoor, Deepika Padukone, etc. His flagship stores are in Goa. Sabyasachi Mukherjee. He is known for his ethereal bridal collection embellished with the fine detailing. His creations have a reflection of the ancient and the medieval ages. He is also the only designer to have been invited to the showcase his collection at the Milan Fashion Week. He designed for Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, Vidya Balan, etc. Flagship stores are in Kolkata, Mumbai, and Hyderabad. Vikram, Vikram Fandis. Besides designing for some of the biggest names of Bollywood, Vikram Fandis has also established himself as a celebrity stylist. His exclusive collection includes bridal as well as pret-a-porter wear. In his 15 years of career, he has adorned the fashion industry with his elegant work and style. Designed for Karishma Kapoor, Malaika Arora Khan, etc. His flagship stores are in Delhi and Mumbai. Manish Arora. He launched his label in the year 1997. He is known for his candid use of vibrant colors and motifs that build up his collection. He designed for Lady Gaga, Sonam Kapoor, etc. His flagship stores are in Delhi and Mumbai. Thank you for listening me. Have a wonderful day. And please do subscribe and like if you like my video. Thank you.